If you're an online seller, only two things matter: reputation and price. Managing price effectively can help you win the buy box, which can get you selling up to 10 times more. But when you have hundreds or thousands of products, pricing your products against other sellers while ensuring you make a profit is a daunting task. Even the most modest inventory can result in thousands of repricing events every day. Repricer.com is an instant repricing solution that combines algorithmic and net margin repricing to help you sell your products more profitably. Simply log in, set some rules on how you want to compete, and we'll do the rest. Responding to your competitors' activity immediately can ensure you get a higher share of the buy box at the best price. When you list a product, lots of repricers only allow you to set your min-max pricing. Repricer allows you to import your costs, so that every time you make a sale, you know exactly whether you made a profit on it, as well as how much profit you could potentially make. Now you can get full profitability analytics, so you always know which products are selling well and which are underperforming. Repricing need not be a race to the bottom. Reprice your products both up and down to ensure that you are always earning the maximum possible amount per product. And our predictor tool shows you which of your products are likely to win the buy box. All this means is, as an online seller, you can relax in the knowledge that your products are always being priced competitively, even while you sleep. Try Repricer.com free for 14 days. We're confident you'll see increased sales at an increased margin.